spread the oil in a pan. Okay. So it will not stick, guys. Daddy Rods, understand mo lang ako? So I will do one by one like that. Because my oven is ready now. So I will do the oil like that. So this one is here. We put this down. So it will not open. So I will just rub the bread with the meat, with the chicken. And then do it like that. Rub with oil. So after in a while, if they come golden brown, we're gonna flip the other down. So now we're gonna slice again. So easy to turn. We're gonna put half first. Yeah. Before we slice again. Because my oven is ready, guys. Ayan, guys. Yummy! Yes, you know this DCN, sa? DSNH. So, you know these things. Sa? It's musakan in Arabic. I don't know in English. I don't know how to speak in English with this one. So, we gotta rub in oil. So, flip like that. So, this one that open, I will put under. So, it will not open when it cook the up. So it's now all in this one, it's down. So it will not open when it's cooked. So now we finish. Slice again. We'll do a slice because they have a lot. It's mozzarella. The bread is mozzarella. Okay. Oh, they're not putting good. Okay. We need to put like lumpia. The direct like lumpia. All about, hello, you know this food all about, so right? Okay. So we're gonna rub again in the oil because I put much more oil. So we have oil to put the things, the bread. Because my oven is ready, we need to cook this one in a golden. We do not very, very good. Okay. This one also. So I have space more, so we need to slice again more. So we need to put half first. So we can measure the other half. Okay. So this one we need to tight. We need to tight very much. So I have oil more. So we do like that. So the inside is had chicken. We put shamak, molasses. It's pomegranate, and salt and pepper, and what you call this? Yeah, I think it's that one. Okay, so I have space more, so I need the slices because I'm alone here. Okay. If not too much oil, we're gonna put some more oil. But still have oil. So we're gonna put round and round for the oil. Okay. So it's not enough. It makes it like that. So I need to put little oil. Only vegetables oil. We use masala. We use masala oil. Okay, so we spread. I just wash my hands, guys. Hi, DSH.